Hi, good morning. Thanks for being here. My name is Nicole He. I am an artist and a programmer and a game developer from New York. And I do a lot of work with voice technology, which basically means making work about yelling at computers and having the computers yell back at you. So today I want to talk about using voice technology for creative things, namely art and games. So I am interested in the difference between the current state of technology as it actually exists and our expectations that we have of how we think the technology should work. Another way to say it is that there is a gap between what AI actually is, which is basically like math and data sets and code and expensive GPUs, and the character of AI and how that lives in our popular imagination. Basically like this versus that. So one of the reasons why I'm particularly interested in voice technology is because compared to other types of emerging tech, it actually somehow fulfills both of these things. Like it's like a bridge between the gap. It's a technology that actually uses machine learning and neural networks and things like that, but it's also a technology that has been represented in science fiction for a very long time. But the thing about developing with voice technology these days is that these voice assistant devices are the way that most people talk to computers. So a lot of the developer tools are entirely made for these sort of rigidly controlled platforms owned by big companies. The technology is advancing very quickly as voice assistants in particular get more and more popular. But that often means that we have a lot of tools for making customer service chatbots. I think cutting edge technology is often funded by, places that can create things that can make a lot of money. But that doesn't mean that we shouldn't also appropriate those tools to make art. I think we can really use these things to make some really weird stuff. So I want to show you some of my work, some of the projects I've done that have used a computer's voice or speech recognition or both. So the first project is called the Love Tinder Robot. So this is a robot that reads your feelings as you look at people on Tinder, and then it swipes accordingly for you at the same time, and then it's making commentary on your choices.
Hello human. I am the Love Tinder Robot. I'm going to help you find love. You can trust me because I am a robot. Let's begin. Look at this person. Swipe right. Judge this person. Swipe left. I can read your feelings. No match here. Determine if this person has any value. Nope. Can you see yourself spending your life with this person? You're not very picky, are you? Go away, now. Please take your hands off the sensors. Goodbye and good luck with your love life.
Fun fact, I actually, thank you. I actually got to demo the Love Tinder Robot here at this very conference 3 years ago, and let me tell you, it's much more stressful to do a hardware demo than it is to give a talk. So I'm happy to be here right now. So another project I made is called the Secret Dunny Box, and this was for an installation in Australia. Apparently Dunny is Australian for toilet. So this was an installation that lived in a public restroom, and this is a project about intimacy and awkwardness, and the way that it works is basically it lets you hear a secret message left for you by the previous visitor, but only if you leave a message for the next person.
Welcome to the Secret Dunny Box. The last person who left their bodily fluids in this restroom also left a message that only you will hear. But if you want to listen to it, you must first leave a message for the next person who visits the loo. To leave a message, press and hold the button while you speak.
Don't forget to wash your hands.
Thank you for your message. I will pass it on to the next person who empties their bowels in this facility. Now, here is the message the previous pooper left for you.
Neon Genesis Evangelion.
Okay, that is all. I hope you enjoyed your time with the secret Dunny Box.
All right, so this, thanks. This next project is called Garden Friends. This is a collaboration with the 3D artist Iran Hilali. This is a project exploring using voice technology in an AR scene.
Oh, hello. I'm so glad you're here. I've been waiting so long for someone to show up. To be honest, it's pretty lonely around here. Tell me, what is your name?
My name is Michael.
Nice to meet you, Michael. I really need your help. I need to plant a beautiful garden so that other people will come visit me and I can make more friends. But I don't have arms. So please take this seed and plant it somewhere. Well, it's a start, Michael. But this tree could look better. I heard plants like it when you talk to them. Why don't you say something nice to this tree?
I think you're a very boring-looking tree.
Michael, I said say something nice. That wasn't nice. Look what you did, Michael. Try saying something nicer.
Just kidding, you're a beautiful and extraordinary tree.
Well said, Michael. The tree seemed to like that. But we've got more to do.
Brown and teal.
Teal and brown. Interesting combination. Splendid. Well done, Michael. I think we've planted a lovely garden with my creative direction and your arms. People will definitely want to visit my garden now and become my friend.
All right, thank you. So I'm really interested in what it feels like to let computers make personal decisions for us, and also what it feels like to talk to computers that can understand us. The last project I want to talk about is a game I made called Enhanced Computer, which is also the URL of the game. This was an homage to the science fiction trope where people are standing in front of a screen and yelling like enhance and zoom in. And if you're not familiar with that, I'm just going to show you this video that I found on YouTube.
Okay, now let's get a good look at you.
Hold it. Run that back.
Wait a minute. Go right.
There, freeze that.
Full screen.
Okay, freeze that.
Tighten up on that wheel.
Vector in on that guy by the back wheel.
Zoom in right here on this spot.
With the right equipment, the image could be enlarged and sharpened.
What's that?
It's an enhancement program.
Can you clear that up any?
I don't know. Let's enhance it.
Enhance section A6.
I enhanced the detail and...
I think there's enough to enhance. Release it to my screen.
Enhance the reflection in her eye.
Let's run this through video enhancement.
Edgar, can you enhance this?
Hang on. I've been working on this reflection.
Someone's reflection.
Reflection.
There's a reflection of the man's face.
The reflection.
There's a reflection.
Zoom in on the mirror.
You can see a reflection. Can you enhance the image from here?
Can you enhance him right here?
Can you enhance it?
Can you enhance it?
Can we enhance this?
Can you enhance it?
Hold on a second, I'll enhance. Zoom in on the door.
Times 10.
Zoom.
Move in.
More.
Wait, stop.
Stop.
Pause it.
Rotate us 75 degrees around the vertical, please.
Stop.
Okay, you get the idea. So I made a game that basically lets you live out your cyberpunk fantasies, and it looks like this. Yeah, okay, so I made this and put it out, and to my surprise, people actually played it, and they also made Let's Play videos of themselves playing it, which was very delightful. So here's a little compilation of some of those.
Let's Play enhanced computer.
Welcome to a browser game called Enhanced Computer.
Hello everyone. こんにちは。ティラミスです。今日は Enhance.Computer.
Let's begin the investigation. Agent Abaya.
Here we go.
Zoom in. Move up. Go up.
Enhance.
Zoom in. Zoom in. Zoom in. Enhance.
Move up. Move up. Move up. Move up. Move up.
Zoom out. I don't know where it is.
Okay, the code is PXRE. I've been saying that.
There is it. Move right. Ah! Damn.
I don't know why I'm addicted to this right now. I don't even like this.
Zoom in. The code is YDGH. The code. Yay!
FWVU. Yes!
The code is MCND. It's as easy as that, folks. Love this game. Love it.
Okay, yeah, so that was cool. And right now I'm, thank you. I'm currently working on a new game that's more ambitious. It's narrative and sci-fi and entirely voice controlled. So yeah, keep an eye out for that. So all that is cool. Obviously, I love using voice technology. It's really fun, and it is honestly getting better and better. But like, if you've ever had a voice assistant mishear you or try to use speech recognition, like basically anywhere, you quickly realize that it's not perfect. And going back to Enhanced.Computer, I want to show you a video that is the best video of somebody playing this game. It's already good with the cigarette.
Begin investigation. Okay. Enhance. 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 Fuck.
Enhanced.
Enhance.
Enhanced.
Enhance.
Enhanced.
Te lo estoy diciendo la computadora. Enhance. 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 Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you.
All right, so to that guy, I want to say I'm sorry, but also that was amazing. To me, Enhanced.Computer is not just a game, but it's an art piece that's actually, again, about the current state of voice recognition today. The fact that it doesn't actually work that well kind of brings us back to this thing that I'm interested in, which is, again, the difference between technology as it actually exists versus how we think it should work. But I think that's all of this stuff is why this is really interesting right now. I think we're kind of in this like 90s web era of voice technology. We don't actually have to wait for the AI to become amazing to make things with it. Like with all new technologies that came before, the messiness of it means there's actually space for artists and game makers to make interesting things with it. So that's it. Thank you. I'm on the internet in these places. Feel free to talk to me after or whenever. And yeah, thank you so much.